Ava, which one's the elephant? There's the elephant. Where's the angel? Where's the angel? Show Mommy the angel. Perfect. Perfect. Where's the bear? Where's the teddy bear? Show Mommy where the bear is. Where's the bear? Where's the bear?
Puppy.
That's Puppy. Where's the bear? There's that bear. Good job. Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep, Ava? Excellent. Yes. Good job, honey. Okay, where's the puppy? Now where's the puppy? You got it, baby. Good job.